Hello, welcome, Marlene here. Today we're switching it up slightly. We're working on cookies decorated in buttercream. You'll find the link to the cookie recipe in the description box, and you can either make your buttercream from scratch or use a mix, whatever you prefer. And let's jump into the step-by-step tutorial now. It's no different with royal icing, but especially with buttercream. Make sure your cookies are completely cool. If you start decorating on warm or hot cookies, the icing will just melt. So that's an important step. And you can make your cookies in advance and freeze them. And now on to the decorating portion of this tutorial. Here are the cookies for today. This is kind of like a cake-ish type cookie. When you bite into it, it's super soft. So I'm just opening them up. I'm going to decorate the inside first using a star tip. And you just want to get a nice kind of edge there around them. So I'm just adding like that. And then I'm just adding a second cookie. Let's try to do one in orange. So you see the edge, when you look at it, you'll have this pretty little kind of little dots around, filling here, and again layering the second cookie. There we go. I'm going to add the stem on the pumpkin just like that. So there's the stem. So I'm going to do the two outside. So there's going to be 4 segments, like a pumpkin has that kind of bump there, you know. So I'm squeezing and I'm wiggling, just wiggling to create this kind of interesting design. I release at the end so that it tapers. Again here, wiggling, 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 pull. Now I'm going to fill these two. I want to make 2 segments here. So filling in, and then the final. There's my little pumpkin. This one over here, same thing. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. The other side. Filling in. I'm going to add my sprinkles now, since I don't want them on top of the leaf. So I'm just adding a little bit. The biggest ones are kind of the most friendly on your teeth, so you want to focus on that. Those are the ones you want to use. All right, leaf tip, adding that to the design. And right here, bouncing, letting it fall on the edge of the orange, like that. This side. Super cute. Let's check this out. So you have the filling. Here, let's check it out. You have the filling and the really cute little decoration. They turned out very nicely, if I say so myself. And here are the completed cookies. You can see the side there. The star tip makes a very nice edge. You can make these in any color you like. And here is an alternate version for Christmas, some little Christmas trees. These were super fun to make, easy, and super tasty. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you give them a try, be sure to tag me. I love to see your work. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next cookie tutorial.